wake you up. Today I'm going to a local cars and coffee event. I don't typically do many of these events because fatherly duties always come first. But today my wife has graciously agreed to watch the kids. So I'm meeting up my friends there and making hopefully some new friends. And I hope you enjoy this quick montage. I suspect the car game might be weak at this meet because it is 9 o'clock. The meet is supposed to start at 9 o'clock and I'm seeing 2 cars so far. So no big deal, I'm just sitting inside of a Huracan. Really amazing car, it looks so mean in person, holy moly. Look at all these switches. Very Audi-esque. Oh my god. One day, one day. My first rev battle. Alright, let's go. This place was pretty dead, so we're going to another meet 15 minutes away from here. Again, these things don't always work out, but check it out. Look at this Lambo going over the bump. Let's see.
Head northeast toward Parsonage Road.
Yep, taking out an angle.
In 100 feet, turn right onto Parsonage Road.
Oh yes.
Turn right onto Parsonage Road.
This is gonna be interesting. Can you take that turn? Oh, nice. For a bright yellow and a bright blue car can mean a lot of trouble, so we gotta take it easy. So does this thing have a Hemi or what?
Nah bro, this thing has a 4-banger.
Alright, I'm gonna have to get the footage from my dash cam because right behind me there was a Mustang who was trying to keep up and almost lost it. The game is getting stronger. I'm noticing some people on our tails. Here filming. I mean, look at this. You did the conversion in the US, right?
I did the conversion.
Oh, you did it yourself?
Yeah.
Very nice. So it started as a what? As a a Pontiac G8, right? No, what did the car start at?
A Holden Ute.
I know, but what's the body of the car? Did it not start as
a Holden Ute?
So you imported from Australia? Or?
That's correct. Yep.
You did the conversion in the US, right?
I did the conversion. I did the conversion. I did the conversion.
So is it registered in the US?
Yeah.
So how did you register and bring it from Australia? I thought you weren't allowed to.
Well, there's some loopholes.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think that's real. right, and we are done. I've got to say, this meet was a complete surprise, both from how much fun I had, and also from how many amazing vehicles turned up. I think close to, I want to say, 500 vehicles, if not more. A lot of Japanese cars that are very rare and unique in the United States. So it was good to see those. It was also good to see some of my friends. You know who you are. And it was always good for me to make this video. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, maybe subscribe if you haven't. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.